In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GitHub files as a zip. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. If you found a project on GitHub that you would like to download, the process is quite simple. First, you'll need to navigate to the main GitHub page of the specific repository. This is usually where the project files are all listed, along with any relevant information. Once you're on the repository page, look for the green button that says Code. You'll generally find it in the top right corner of the file list. That's the button we are looking for. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, giving you several options. From that drop-down menu, you are going to want to select the option that says Download Zip. It's generally one of the first options in that menu. After you click on it, your browser will automatically begin downloading the entire repository. This will be saved as a compressed folder, making it easier to download all files at once. Once the download is complete, it's time to extract the contents of the zip file. Go to your Downloads folder, where you'll find the zip file you just downloaded. If you are on a Windows computer, right-click on the zip file and choose the option that says Extract All. On a Mac, you can simply double-click on the zip file and it will unzip for you. After the extraction is done, you'll have a new folder that contains all the files from the repository. Go ahead and open that folder. Now you can freely explore the contents. You'll typically find the source code for the project, and there is usually a README file included as well. This README file is quite useful, as it often contains instructions on how to use the project, what dependencies you may need, and other important information. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a project from GitHub as a zip file, and you're ready to dive into the code. Whether you're looking to contribute to an open source project, learn from the code, or just play around with it on your local machine, you're all set. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that downloading from GitHub not only gives you access to source code, but also allows you to make modifications or run the software right on your device. This can be particularly valuable for developers and students looking to expand their skills. So, don't forget to check that README document after you download. It can provide you with insights and guidance that will make your experience much smoother, especially if you're unfamiliar with the project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up